everybody, welcome back. Today I was thinking that Easter's right around the corner. I want to get a couple of things prepared prior to that so I'm not in a rush. I came across an idea for a bag to use for collecting eggs if you guys do an Easter egg hunt. So I've got this little bag right here and I thought maybe I would do a repurpose on it. So I thought it'd be really cute to be able to take this and make this into an Easter bag. I found something on Design Space that I think is going to work for this, and we're going to do heat transfer vinyl on that, and this is what they call HTV, okay, heat transfer vinyl. And we're going to iron that on here and create ourselves a cute little Easter bag. So this is what I have found already. It's just a little bunny butt, and we'll get that cut out. So stay tuned. I'm going to grab my supplies and we'll get going. You got to watch this. I've come up with my design. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this on my Cricut and then we'll get this ironed on. I'm gonna do the wording out of this glitter HTV here. Got my design mirrored, which means it's going to be backwards on the screen. But I also have this backwards. I need to cut on this side because the front is actually your carrier sheet, just as if you were using regular vinyl and you had to put it onto transfer tape. The front of this actually is the protective coating that you can iron on. And now I can load it. And it's checking to make sure that I have put in the right mat. Pressing the go button. Now what it's doing is checking the tool to make sure I have the right blade in. If it's not correct, it will stop and it will tell me on the screen to change that. And you did notice that I'm using a piece of scrap. I never throw away anything larger than like a 2x2 square because 9 times out of 10 you'll be able to use it. So now my word is cut and you can't see, I mean I can see where it's cut here, but when we get this weeded you'll see. Now I'm going to put in my white HTV, which we're going to use for the little feet and the bunny tail. And I'm not good about cleaning my mat, so to me it's easier to put tape on it because they just get gunked up so quickly. I'm done cutting this. I will pull this out and then we will get the pink on. And then I can just tape this shut again. Some people use little toilet paper rolls to go around these, and I can show you how that works. Here's an empty toilet paper roll. So to keep this closed, all you need to do is this. Now, you can cut this into pieces and just have little cuffs, like about 1 inch or so long, and have multiples on here, but this works really well too. As a matter of fact, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the tape off and it'll slowly kind of loosen itself up. And there we go. Now, weeding your project can be simple, depending on what material you're cutting, or it could be a pain in the butt. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm doing the little bunny butt first. So here's the two pads for the feet, and then here's the bunny butt. Now this may not seem like a lot, but depending on what you're making, this might be plenty. So I'm not going to throw it away. So let's move on to the little saying. Well, that wasn't fun. So I finally have all the letters cut out here. So it will say, shake your bunny tail. I've got the bunny butt and the bunny feet, little bunny body, and then the little pads. So I'm going to fire up my heat press. Well, I found a couple of books that I could put in here that would take up the space that I needed so that this could lay flat. And I'm going to warm this up. I'm going to lay this on, covering up as much as I possibly can. Now you can get heat tape. generally is sticking, so. I'm gonna do up here a little bit more. I think it turned out really cute. Zip tie it, pull your loop up.